In mathematics, the 3.7, if you round it up to 4%, decline in performance in mathematics in the 2015 sitting of the grade 6 achievement test is worrying. It's attributed to the increase in the number of items which required greater levels of reasoning and application. This was, however, consistent with the range outlined in the blueprint for the test, which specifies the areas to be assessed from the curriculum. In other words, we didn't come with any surprises. The challenge students faced handling these items may be attributed to one of the issues with which the ministry continues to contend as it relates to the teaching and learning of mathematics. And that is the emphasis on rote learning rather than the teaching of concepts. Placing an emphasis on students remembering steps to take in solving a problem without an understanding of the underlying concepts will affect the ability of those students to handle items that they may consider as unusual or non-routine, since they require reasoning and application. In order to avert this, the retraining of our teachers is one very specific issue. The Ministry of Education has begun a solid program of upgrading and coaching teachers of mathematics. I'm asking the public to note that we're not just simply accepting a deficit there and doing nothing about it. We are enjoining school officials that any remediation that is necessary in literacy and numeracy be dealt with prior to the beginning of the grade 7 curriculum, also in September. All students who have got less than 50% or less in their mathematics or literacy outcomes from GSAT be brought in for a special program which will place them in a much better position to benefit from high school education. And similarly, we are going to be launching a new effort at grade 5 in the 800 plus primary schools, because we can't have the noted and recognizable deficiencies that have led to the fallback in the mathematics results this year continue next year.
We're trying to be more consistent and deliberate, and the approaches we have been using that we found to be successful will be the similar approaches that we will apply.